Welcome to Hampi. I am Manjunath Gowda. I finished my studied in Hampi University, the diploma in archaeological culture and tourism. I am working as a guide more than 18 years. So my trained at Krishnadevara University, Ballari. So welcome to Hampi. Explore Hampi with me, please. Now we are in the Queen's Bath. Usually the king and queen, all are they stay at palace, they take a bath, everything is there. But when the king go battle to other kingdom, the queens are alone in the palace. When they get a bored in the palace, they come here for water entertainment purpose, like a swimming pool. It's like a beautiful Hindu and Islamic structures. Please, that time when the queens have come to here, they need a filter water system. So they did here a natural filter system. You know how? So from here 2 kilometers far away, there is a Kamalapur lake. Through the stone canals, they bring the water, they will store it in outside. When all dirty will go down, the clean water coming on top. So I'm going to show you how the water flow inside. Please come. Okay. So when the queens are come to here, the royal family used to come to the place. So they need a filter water system. That time they did a natural filter system. So from here 2 kilometers far away, there is a Kamalapur lake. By the stone canal, they bring the water, they will store it on outside. When all dirty will go down, the clean water coming on top, that water is to flow inside. So when the water is to flow inside, the water exit from the place. There is a drain out. This balcony for the guards, who are the taker of the queens, the guards are stand there, they throw the perfumes, flowers when they get a bath. When they get a hot in the daytime, they insert the 4 wooden pillars. There's a canopy on the top. So the beautiful tombs, 24 tombs, each tombs are very different. One to other totally different, like a Hindu and Islamic structures. It's a beautiful royal swimming pool. Bath, Queen's Bath. So each tombs are very different. So actually there are some carvings, but it's a collapse. Till there, archaeological survey fund is going to be renovation, conservation by archaeological survey fund. And there is a beautiful, like a star. Look at that, the tomb, the pattern like star, beautiful design, flower. So there is again, but there's a bottom is like a star, the completely roof like a star. A nice arches. There's a lion. So usually here, not much more carving, but the design is like the race. So here, again, there's a flower. So usually inside there are pillars with the stones. They apply the mortar. So the limestone, jaggery, all together sand, all together mixed, they make a plaster on the top. And the beautiful art is there. Flowers, arches, the whole design. Usually in Rajasthan, we have all the windows. In Haveli, it exactly similarly like this. So there are steps to go down. The water level was 1.6 meters. There's a small canal, water drain out. The massive pillars, beautiful pillars, but not much more carving because there was a mortar carving on the pillars. Mortar design, stucco carvings. So there are two different types of the balconies. So look at the balconies, are they used stone and bricks both, and beautiful micro art. So again, here completely different, beautiful roof. So there are some square and flower, the different art in that roof. So this roof is completely different. Look at that middle and the pattern, art, design, completely different compared to other art. Looks similar art, but is a different. Usually they use always lotus flower, middle lotus flower is there. Here you can see, sir, there's a beautiful pattern of the stones. They apply the mortar on the top. How beautiful art is there. An arch. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.